Are you reading, Griffin? Are you reading?
What's that?
Today's February 26th.
Turn the page.
Is that Go Dog Go? Are you reading Go Dog Go? Yeah, Go Dog Go.
Do you like man? What page are you gonna go to?
Yeah? Is that what happens in the book? Is that what happens?
They're going round and round now, aren't they, Buzz? Yeah, they go
The
round and
dogs go
round.
to sleep. And then they wake up. Yeah. And they drive in cars. Uh-oh. Did you throw it down? Uh-oh.
You gonna read Go Dog Go?
That reading make you thirsty? Is it tough work?
Keep reading. And read more Go Dog Go. Can I read it? Where's Mommy?
This is the longest I think I've really seen him sit and read. But I'm going to blame it on the fact that he's got ear infections in both ears, which we just found out today. So this is what a sick Griffin acts like. He sits in one place for more than 5 seconds.